Okay, so now that we have the structure of our framework ready, let us go ahead and set up our runner class. Now, the runner class is very important in a framework because this is where you would run all your test cases and you'll be able to get your report. You have all your plugins and everything here. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, we have public class runner. You want to bring that down a little bit because everything is going to go above the class in order to make all the magic work. That's the only way I could really explain it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do our annotation. So it's at run with. Okay, and you see that is from our JUnit, that's in our POM XML. Inside this, we're going to do cucumber.class. Okay, and then we're going to do add cucumber options. And inside our cucumber options is where everything lives. I'm going to fix that in a minute. So in our cucumber options, we're going to add our plugin. And one curly bracket. Okay, so now for our plugin, we're going to do HTML. Okay, and this is our cucumber report here. Then we're going to do another one called rerun. And this is like just our rerun for when our test cases fail. We're going to rerun them from here. .txt. That's that. Nope. And then the last one we have is, remember when we did the me.jvt? That's the last one we're going to add. me.jvt. Cucumber dot report dot, and we're going to do a pretty report here. Pretty reports, and we're going to link that from our target. Cucumber. All right. I think that is it for that plugin there. Now, the next thing we're going to do is our features, because we do need to link our features, our feature file. Okay, so how do we link our feature file? So to link your feature file, you're going to go to your feature file, your feature folder that is right here. Okay, you're going to right click and you're going to copy path reference. I'm going to go this a little bit slower. And when you copy your path reference, you want to copy it from content root. Okay? And then you're going to come back up to your runner class and you're going to paste it. So that is your features. Now for the glue, from the glue we're going to go to our step definitions. Same thing, we're going to right click, copy path reference, and we're going to copy it from our source root. And then we're going to paste it. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is dry run. Let's make dry run false for now. I'll explain to you what the dry run is in a minute. In fact, it's probably better if I show you it in context. Okay, so then we're going to do our tags, and essentially just whatever tag you're going to put in here, whether it's your smoke, your regression, your WIP, all of that comes here. And the last thing I like to do is publish. And I'm going to say publish is equal to true because I do want it to be published. Okay, so now let's come up here and see what's going on. I just need to import the class here, and there we go. And this is our runner class here. Okay, let's clean that up a little bit because we should always ensure that we're cleaning up all of our stuff. And this is our runner class. Now, next thing that we need to do is let us do our failed test runner class. And let me clean that up a little bit. I think this is my favorite part. My favorite part of like just building the framework would be to just, I love the build framework. I think if I could just build frameworks all day, I would be very happy. I love to build it from scratch. I love to see it come together. Okay, again, let's do our annotations. So at run with, and again, if you guess, it's cucumber dot class. Okay. So it's not happy right now because it's asking us like, you know, what are these? But it's okay. We're going to do add cucumber options, and that is going to do our cucumber options. And again, for our cucumber options, inside our cucumber options, we're going to do features. And our features are going to equal our target folder. Now, very important, I do know this because like I said, I've worked with multiple frameworks. Our target folder is going to come once we run a test, but again, it's very easy to figure it out if you've built multiple frameworks, that what it's going to be. So I'm just going to put it in because I know it by heart at this point. So it's at target rerun, and it's a txt file, txt. And then the other one is the glue. And your glue for this, again, glue for this is the same glue that you're getting from your runner class. So we could just come here, copy this glue here, and put it in here. And that's it. That is our failed test runner. So now all we have to do is import our classes. Again, same import class. A lot of times it just pops up on the bottom. So I noticed like with the EDU version, it's not as fast as the Ultimate Edition that I use right now. So, but I did want it to do it on the EDU version simply because a lot of people would have access to this version rather than the other ones. Okay, so that is our runner class. And do not forget, very, very important, and I'm going to repeat this quite a few times, do not forget to commit and push your changes. Again, I'm not going to do inversion files. As you could see, these are the 3 things that we updated. So we're just going to say updated runner classes. And essentially that's all I'm going to do, updated runner classes. So as you can see, we are going to select those, not the unversioned files. We're going to commit and push. And you see it goes to our mtester branch in GitHub. We're going to push that. And because it's just myself, I'll go in and I'll repeat the process that we did before. So thank you guys so much. Thank you for coming. And in our next session, I'm thinking in our next session, we should start doing our utilities. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So the next session, we would work on our driver utils. Thank you, and happy testing.